Welcome to Baking Shit with Sean. Today we're baking this sourdough loaf from scratch, and of course my loaf somehow ended up having a little vagina. Definitely has a yeast infection. I know. Alright, you're gonna need your fucking sourdough starter. Go watch the fucking video I made about it. Buy yourself a damn scale, they're cheap, and weigh all your shit out. 500 grams of bread flour, 10 grams of fine sea salt. I didn't have any, so I ground up some fucking pink Himalayan salt. Aren't I fucking clever? Mix your salt and flour together, then don't do that. Don't be a dumbass. Alright, look at that. What the fuck? Alright, you need 25 grams of olive oil and 69. Okay, 250 grams of water, add the 25 grams of oil, and boom, 275 fucking grams. Baking is fucking math. I refurbished this 100-year-old Griswold cast iron Dutch oven. I fucking love this thing. I love it so much I sleep with it and do literal Dutch ovens in bed to the dismay of my wife. Okay, wait, what was I doing? Oh yeah, fucking bread. Whoopsie. Anyway, alright, well, it's time to weigh the fucking starter. Look at this shit keeps happening. There's my mustache in case you forgot what it looked like. Anyway, we're doing 150 grams of our 60-year-old bubbly-ass starter. What the fuck, really? Alright, throw all the shit together and mix it with your hands. And now, you need to not fucking knead it like some kind of upper crust fucker, get it? Or you'll fuck it up. That's a lot of fucks. You want this fucker to be shaggy like that. Okay, put a wet-ass towel over it and let it autolyze for 30 minutes. Autolyze means don't fuck with it, it's doing science shit. And shape it into a fucking ball and cover it the fuck up with plastic shit. And this shit takes 3 to 12 hours to fucking rise. It's a slow fermented bread, and the natural acids and long fermentation makes it healthy as fuck because the gluten breaks down, and it's easy for your ass to absorb it. If you want, you can pull it once in a while. Just fucking pull one side to the other 4 times like this, and keep it fucking covered. I ended up doing this 4 times until it got late into the evening and I got fucking tired. By the way, I'm going to figure out how to mail bits of my 60-year-old starter to my fucking awesome Patreon subscribers on the fucking cheap. So if you want to join the shit show, it's as low as $5 a month, and we're doing some cool ass shit over there. So go fucking check it out or don't. I'm not the fucking boss of you. Alright, I'm getting tired. Let's put this shit to bed overnight. Alright, wakey, drink some fucking coffee, drink some more fucking coffee, and holy shit, look at that stray hair. Alright, fuck it, let's do this. Boom, motherfucker, look at that shit. Alright, pop it out and shape it. Just pull the edges to the middle like this, and then flip it the fuck over, and, just make it fucking roundish. You know what to do. Stick it in a Dutch oven, lined with parchment paper, make a fucking slice on it, spritz it with fucking water, and turn your 450 oven down to 400, pop it in, fucking stare at it. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and bake for 40 more minutes until it looks like this beautiful bitch right here. Alright, don't fucking slice it up immediately. Wait a bit, and then slice it up. Daddy gonna make some bread. I know, sorry. Alright, well there you go, look at it. It's a fucking sourdough miracle. Alright, maybe I'll see you in my fucking Patreon. Toodaloo.